This is by far the best day trading strategy that I've ever used. Every morning, you're going to mark out the 10 a.m. open. Why is the 10 a.m. open important? Because we are trading a 4-hour PO3 and the 4-hour opens at 10 a.m. So all we're looking for is how the previous 4-hour closed and what PD arrays are over here for us to take the continuation move. So as you can see, this candle here on the right is the live 4-hour candle that's about to close, and this is more bearish looking than anything. On top of that, we have this little fair value gap right above it. So what we do is we wait for the 10 a.m. to open and pull into this fair value gap, which would be our manipulation on the 4-hour, and we go ahead and take a short. So in this example, you can see we manipulate this 4-hour into the 5-minute fair value gap, and we can take a short targeting these previous lows. And before you know it, those targets have been hit. Now the 4-hour is obviously still red and is still bearish. So any bearish PD array through here, we short. In this case, we see another 5-minute fair value gap the same way there was one up here, and we can take another short right here as well. What this would look like is something like this, where you have an entry right at the fair value gap, a stop loss at the high, and we want at least a 2R trade, which means we are risking $1 to make $2. So this is what that would look like visualized. So as soon as we pull into this fair value gap, we get entered into this trade, and now we want a 2R out of here. And before you know it, the 2R has been complete. This strategy has gotten me funded over $3 million in the last 6 months.